Pambiling bigas. Saka apat na pakete ng Ligo Sardines. Oh. Ikaw may hawak ng BTS ko. Ikaw si Manoling Morato eh. Alam mo yan eh. Grabe ka. Okay, let's go! Tip-off, cheesecake, laban sa head office. Kanino ang bola? Kay Charney. Red ball. Empty pass. Kicks it. Isa pa daw. Tries the three. No. Rebound. Bola mapupunta sa white. Yellow line po tayo. Yellow line. Reminder sa mga players. Yellow line. Yellow line po tayo. Yellow line. Michael gives it. Let's see, lay up. Bola sa mga nakapula. Tolosa, bigay sa kabila. Juice per. Empty pass. Out of bounds. White ball. Lebron nagbababa ng bola. Ay. Cheesecake. Michael. That is an offensive foul for a moving screen. Foul on number 1. That is a blocking. Red ball. Number 1, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. Punong-puno ng energy si number 1. And that is a foul. Foul on number 1, that is a blocking inbound play. Number 1, that's your second personal foul, second team foul. Empty pass. Gives it over. Masyadong malalim. Juiceberg. Rebound, White. Ito na, Cheesecake. Ten seconds to shoot. And there is a foul. Foul on number 31. That is a hit to the hand. Inbound play. Number 31, that's going to be your first personal foul, 13 foul. Make the basket. Kobe MRI. Juiceberg, baseline drive. Make the basket. Jumper, too strong. Ito na, Juiceberg. Lefty layup. Rebound save. Tough shot. Natapik ang bola. Gives it. Drops it. And there is a foul. Foul on number 8. That is a hit to the hand. Inbound play. Number 8, that's your first personal foul.
Score. All 2. Under 5 minutes remaining.
And there is a foul. Foul on number 7. That is a holding foul. Number 7, that's your first personal foul. Second team foul. And that is a traveling violation. Make the basket. There's a Super. Drops it, lays it, makes it. Seconds to shoot. 5 minutes remaining. Gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 1, that is a 17. That's going to be a hit to the hand, bonus free throw. Timeout! Cheesecake.
Score 8-2 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left, 4 minutes and 53 seconds.
Bonus free throw. No basket. Ball will go White. Make the three-point play. Gives it. Makes the basket. Ball is stripped. Nabawi. 2. Takes his time. Wala pa. Susubok ulit. His time is good. Substitution. Pasok po, bagong 5. Substitution, White. And that's going to be a traveling violation. Under 3 minutes remaining. Lays it. Rolls out. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Masyadong malalim. And there is a call. Foul on number 22. That is a push. It's going to be 2 free throws. That's your first personal foul. 14 fouls.
Score 12-5 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Second attempt. Substitution. Time. Come on! And off it. Yan po, marami po salamat. Sports One Cares. Ayan. Dagdag tayo ng upuan. Medyo marami tayong viewers doon. Pakilagay na lang sa likod. Ayan, sa likod na lang ipwesto. Ayan. Marami hong salamat.
Isi-share na.
Thank you. Talaga dito rin. Natatangi ka talaga. Bukod tangin, natatangi. Under 3 minutes remaining. Tough shot. No. Rebound. Ito na sila. Meron tayong foul. Foul on number 4. That is a holding. That's your first personal foul. 15 foul penalty. First free throw. Rolls out. And it's going to be a jump ball. Ball will go B, which is head of it. Substitution. And there is a foul. Foul on number 26. That is a push. 2 free throws. That's your first personal foul penalty situation. Gets another rebound. Tries another. Still too strong. 8 seconds to shoot. And that's going to be a 3-second violation. And that's going to be a traveling violation. One minute remaining. Bad pass, turnover. Ten seconds to shoot. Five seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. $15 seconds. $10 seconds. 10 seconds, 4 seconds to go. Five. And that is your first quarter.
Score 12-5. End of the first quarter. Racing Canes on the lead by 7 points.
All right, back to the ball game. Let's go.
Start of
Ball,
the second quarter.
White ball. And there is a foul. Foul on number 25. That is a blocking foul. Same ball. That's going to be your first personal foul, first team foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Makes the basket. Protected. Lays it. Rolls out. 10 seconds to shoot. Gets the basket, plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 14, that is a blocking bonus free throw. Number 14, that's your first personal foul, second team foul, head office. One more. Substitution. Sub. Ay, mamaya na daw, 30. Medyo hindi maganda gising ni Tito Brenda. Substitution. Saves it. Goes for the attack. Gets blocked. Intercepted. Takes the three. Rebound. Head office. Alan. Pero hindi yung A. At meron tayong foul. Foul on number 10. That is a push. Ball stays. Substitution. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul, head office. Under 8 minutes remaining. Way off. Pinasa sa mukha. Follow up. Wala. Rebound. Tries the three. No. Couldn't save it. White ball. There is a foul. Foul on number 25, that is a push. Substitution. Substitution. That's her second personal foul. 4-team foul, warning for penalty, head office. First free throw. Second attempt, makes it. 1-point game. Hindi pa nakaka-score ng head office. Gives it. Third, tries the three. No. Alonso with a rebound, corner, baseline, entry. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket.
Score 14-11. Racing Canes on the lead. Under 6 minutes remaining on the second quarter.
Entry pass, what a play. Still a 1-point game. Stolen. Hindi. Nabawi, but there is a foul. Foul on number 17. Substitution. Number 17, that's going to be your second personal foul, first team foul. Under 6 minutes remaining. Makes the basket for 2. Muntik na kumiksi yung short, si number 15. Tough shot, there's a foul. Foul on number 11, that is a hit to the hand, 2 free throws. Number 11, that's your first personal. Team is on the penalty. First free throw. Second attempt is good. 2-point game. Tough shot, still makes it.
Score 18-14 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Last touch red, ball stayed white. Jumper, short. Makes the layup. Score 20-14. Substitution. Drops it, rolls out. Takes the spin, kicks it, tough shot. 2-pointer is good. That's a 2-point. Still makes the basket. 3 minutes remaining.
Score 24-16 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 2 minutes and 39 seconds.
Tries the 3. No. Ball is good. Rebound red. Good play, good pass for 2. Substitution. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. 10. And makes the 3. That's a three. No. Rebound, stay. 10 seconds to shoot. Gets the basket. 1 minute. Intercepted. That's a three. No. Rebound save. Rolls out. And there is a foul. Foul on number 29. That is a hit to the hand. 2 free throws. Substitution. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Cheesecake. Eighteen seconds remaining. 18 seconds. 15, 10, 3, and that is your first half.
End of first half, score 32-21 in favor of Racing Kings.
All right, halftime is over. We are back in the game. Ball will go head office. Pasok na po, ma'am, sir. Let's go, red ball. White on defense.
Beno, yung kulang ka na sa practice, be?
Wala man. Okay lang yan. Alalayan ko daw to. Tira nyo kami lang.
Fine. Pressure defense agad. It's a jump ball. Will go white. And there is a foul. Foul on number 8, that is a push. 2 free throws. Number 8, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. First one. Ball will go, red ball. Loses the pass. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Here comes the guys in white. Michael. Moving the ball around. Tough shot gets blocked. Tries another, and that's going to be a foul. Foul on number 53. That is a hit to the hat, 2 free throws. Number 53, that's your first personal foul, second team foul.
Score 32-21 in favor of Racing Canes.
Second attempt is good.
Third quarter, time left 8 minutes.
Our official score, 32-22, 10-point lead. Tough shot gets blocked. That's going to be a traveling violation. That's going to be another foul. Foul on number 53, that is a holding. Substitution. All 5 out, red, 5 out, 5 in. Thirteen foul for the guys in red. Tough shot. La Rosa, power move. Out of bounds. Our score, 22-32. Red up by 10. Third. Empty pass, moving the ball around. Intercepted. Stolen. White ball. 7 minutes remaining.
Score 32-22 in favor of Racing Canes, under 6 minutes remaining.
And that's going to be a foul. Foul on number 3, that is a holding, hit to the hand. Number 3, that's going to be your first personal foul. 14th foul, warning for penalty.
Stop.
6 minutes. Basic, Walay, and there is a foul. Substitution, foul on number 21. Penalty situation. Penalty free throws, penalty. Ball saved. Under 6 minutes remaining. Parang malungkot si Tita Charlie doon. Nakasama na. Okay lang yan.
Sanay naman ako mag-isa.
Rosa. Crossover. Kicks it out. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. And there is a foul. Foul on number 21. Into the hand, 2 free throws. Number 21, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. 2 free throws, 24. First one. Substitution. And that's going to be white ball.
Score 32-22 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 4 minutes and 19 seconds.
Ball saved. Too much Michael on the court. Ten seconds to shoot. Substitution. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes. Makes the basket. Stolen. Trying to save it, out of bounds. And there is a foul. Foul on number 26. That's going to be a hit to the hand, 2 free throws. That's going to be your second personal foul, second team foul, Cheesecake. First free throw. Makes both free throws. Michael to Michael. To Harold. To Michael again. Nakalusot. Masyadong masigip. Here comes third. Gives it. Returns it. And that's going to be a 3-second violation. Substitution. 2 minutes remaining. Substitution. Kick. Harold for 3. Doesn't hit any. Follow up. No. Rebound third. Advances. In the Tolosa. Pull up J. Makes it. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Stolen. 1 minute and 10 seconds. And there is a foul. What is the call, ref? Foul on number 21. It's going to be penalty situation. Timeout! Cheesecake.
Score 40-22 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Back to the ball game, 2 free throws para sa guys in white. Penalty free throws po, white. Si number ito, point guard, number 18, 13. First free throw. Foul on number 3. That is a holding. Second personal, penalty pa rin. Rolls out. Makes the second one. 1 minute. That's a 3. Gets the rebound. Ball stays. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Takes the basket. 12 seconds remaining. 10. 3. And that is your third quarter.
End of third quarter, score 40-25 in favor of Racing Canes.
All right, back to the ball game. fourth and final quarter. Let's go. White, red, let's go. White ball, white ball. Get our defense, red. White ball. Ay, tata. Ball safe. Ball drop. Jumper. Two-pointer. 10 seconds to shoot. Takes the basket. Live play po. Intercepted. Makes the basket. Takes the shot, makes it. And that is an offensive foul. Foul on number 8, that's an offensive foul. Number 8, that can be your second personal foul, first team foul. Under 8 minutes remaining. Lays it. Masyadong malalim, but there is a foul. Foul on number, patingin ulit Marv, foul on number Marv, number 7. Substitution. Marv, sino foul Marv? Foul on number 7. That's your second personal foul, second team foul. Second attempt is good. Two-pointer. Rattles out. And there is a foul. On number 8, that is a hit to the hand. Substitution. Number 8, that's going to be your third personal foul, 13 foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Good pass para sa akin. And there is a foul. Foul on number 10. That is a push. Number 10, that's your second personal foul. Warning for penalties.
Score 48-28 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 5 minutes and 15 seconds on fourth quarter.
Substitution. Traveling, white ball. It's a jump ball, ball will go, red ball. Red ball. And there's a foul. Fouler number 10 is going to be penalty situation. That's your third personal foul. Penalty. The second one. Takes the shot. Tries another. Scramble. And there is a foul. Foul on number 53. Substitution. 5 out, 5 in. That's your third personal foul. Penalty pa rin.
Score 48-31 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
First free throw is good. Substitution. Bola, sir. Tough shot. Ito na, cheesecake. Trinidad. And that's going to be count the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul number 71. That's 71. It's going to be bonus free throw. Number 71, that's your first personal penalty pa rin. Ito na. Shoot first. There's a foul. Foul on number 10. Number 9. Timeout. Head office.
Score 48-35 in favor of Racing Canes. We are now in the fourth quarter. Time left 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Back to the ball game. Ball saved. Seconds to shoot. Seconds, never mind. Michael makes the basket. 11-point game. Rayburn gets blocked from behind. Gets the basket. And that's going to be a foul on number 71. Number 71, that's a blocking penalty. Penalty, that's going to be your second personal foul. Substitution. First free throw. Foul on number 71, that's a holding. 2 free throws. First free throw. 11, 12-point game. 12-point lead. Timeout! Head office.
Score 50-39 in favor of Racing Canes. Time left 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
Back to the ball game. Red ball, red ball. Last 2 minutes. Out of bounds, white ball. White ball, white ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, white ball. Gets blocked, but there is a foul. Foul on number 71. Substitution. Number 71, that's your fourth personal free throws for number 17. 10-point game. Ball or loose ball foul on number 17. Basket count, white ball. White ball, white ball. Red ball, red ball. Foul on number 21. That is a hit to the hand, 2 free throws. Number 21, that's your first personal, 13th foul. There is a foul. Foul on number 7. That is a hit to the hand, 2 free throws. Number 7, that's your third personal penalty. First free throw is good. Official score 43-51, 8-point game. Closing. Seconds to shoot. Basket count, foul on number 12. That is a push to bonus free throw. That's your first personal foul, 14th foul. 17 seconds remaining, 17 seconds. Foul. Penalty. Penalty. First free throw is good. Last free throw. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds.
End of the game, score 53-45, 53-47, Racing Canes win.